night goes on and on and on.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another freaking video. I've been having some problems. I have my car. I think it's a rod knock or it's an exhaust leak. But every time I turn on my car, it sounds like sounds like super ugly. So we're gonna check it out real quick. Holy heck, it's super dark. But that's why I got a flashlight. Bam. All right. It sounds like every time like I'm revving my car, it sounds like it's coming from the header. Everything looks pretty good. What about the sides? Okay, that's probably why there's no freaking bolt. It actually popped. Watch, check this out. See, there's the top bolt right here, and there's supposed to be another bottom bolt. So I think it's an exhaust leak, but we'll see. I'm just gonna work on it real quick. All right, so we're gonna start this bad boy and see what happens. Sorry I couldn't film it. I was kind of like in a hurry. AutoZone was gonna close, so I'm just trying to do this real quick. But we'll see if there's an exhaust leak or a rod knock. All right, here we go. Hopefully it's not a rod knock. It's just an exhaust leak. Alright, so that was really a close call. I was actually driving to work and it started making a thunk sound every time like I would like push on the gas. It kept making like a ugly sound, and I was like, dude, I was praying like, dude, hopefully it's not a rod knock, because this is the only car I have and this is my daily car. But I went to AutoZone, got a couple tools, bought a header gasket, and that bolt, I guess it broke in half when I was driving. Like it snapped, like it broke. And I guess the gasket came off as well, and the missing bolt broke into pieces, so a little piece of that bolt is stuck inside the exhaust manifold. So the way I had to get it is take out the entire head just to get to that bolt and poke it out from the other side. All right, so I went to go return the tools, and dude, it was actually an exhaust leak. We were going through it and there was actually no gasket, so I guess I have no idea how it happened, but I guess when we tried to install the new one, there was actually no gasket at all. Like it was gone, it was completely gone. So I'm glad it's not a rod knock, and this is my daily driver, so like this car is ideally this car every day, and I'm glad that it's not a rod knock. So next up in the list is I have to drop off these envelopes. They're also stickers. There's like a post office across the street, so I'm just gonna drive over there, drop them off, and probably just gonna head home. So before I head home, I have to gas up. I'm like on E, so we're gonna gas this bad boy up. guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I honestly thought it was like a rod knock. I was like so scared, but it was just an exhaust leak, so I dodged the bullet right there. But anyways, if you guys want to see my daily updates, just follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. I'm always posting like stuff, what I'm doing with the car. And I also, now that Instagram has live, I usually go live just to explain like what's gonna happen in the car, stuff like that. So just letting you guys know. Alright guys, I'll see you guys on the next episode, and happy holidays. Later guys.
Want to keep the peace and help people. Give some of this money that I'm making to the people. So if you hating on me, goddamn you evil. And just don't understand, cause I'm flyer than Knievel. Been through a lot of shit, but I keep it on the deep low. Never busting in them streets, but I keep it G though. I ain't in the fairy tales, I'm just me, ho.